During the American Revolution, the Founding Fathers met to develop a government that would take over as soon as the British left. By 1777, they had written the Articles of Confederation, which created the first United States government.
Today is Constitution Day, so happy Constitution Day to all of you. And, math is all around us, so we're going to make sure that we can find the math and how they found some important details in the Constitution. Are you ready for that?
Yes. All right, friends, so today we are going to do our Constitution rules. We're going to come up with rules of the classroom.
So remember, today you are working as researchers to learn more about American symbols.